Hello, and thanks for taking the time to watch this short video. It's going to help explain the features and capabilities of your media delivery site. So, what is a delivery site? The delivery site is the only resource you need to download your orders, photos, and media. Get links, see the traffic report, and update contact or property information. Everything is made available with a link similar to this. Of course, such a powerful link can be abused, so be sure to not send out media delivery links to anyone outside of your trust. This is going to be for your use only. In case something does happen, contact us and we can generate a new link for you. Let's get started with the most important thing, downloading your media. All of your media can be viewed and downloaded in the Photos and Videos section near the bottom of the page. To download the full resolution image package, click the Download All HD Photos button. For the resized media package, ideal for upload to the MLS, click the Download All Resized Photos button instead. Individual photos and videos can be viewed by clicking the thumbnail, or downloaded with the Download menu in the top right corner. Now that you've got those, let's go back up to the first section, which is for your links, marketing pieces, and embeds broken up into 3 tabs. Starting with the links, there's the virtual tour, property website, media gallery, your property gallery, and the tiny tour link. Where applicable, there's a toggle for the branded and non-branded versions of the link. Remember, the non-branded version is for posting to the MLS, while the branded is for posting everywhere else. The buttons on the right side will copy the link to your clipboard or open the link in a new tab. The next tab is for the optional marketing pieces: e-brochure, flyers, and a QR code. The final tab is for 2 pieces of embed code that we offer. These can be used by a website designer for building into a web page. At the very bottom of the delivery site, we have the condensed traffic report. This shows a week-by-week combined visit counter for your virtual tour and property website. Under subscribed emails, you can add or remove recipients, or even change which day you'd like the report to be sent out. A more detailed version of the report can be viewed by opening the link. The final feature is the ability to update your property and contact information using these edit buttons. Let's look at the property information editor first. Here, you can update the description, address, property status, geolocation, and house attributes like beds, baths, square footage, and price. Finally, we have the contact information editor, where you can update your headshot and company logo, name, title and gender, company and website, phone numbers, office address, and social media accounts. For security reasons, please contact us directly if you need to update your email address. And that's everything there is to know. Please let us know if you have any questions or concerns about your media delivery site. Thank you so much for watching.